Rumor has it, the sidecar was invented in Paris at Harry's New York bar at the request of an American Army captain. It's essentially a French version of a brandy crusta, which was popular around the end of World War I. I love this drink. The flavors are rich, and yet it's one of the easiest drinks to prepare. Start by juicing a lemon over a fine mesh sieve to collect the pulp and seeds. I don't often rim my cocktail glasses, but in the case of a sidecar, which isn't sweetened with a simple syrup, I think it's necessary. I like to use a fine-grained vanilla sugar for this. Spread a little sugar on a small plate. Run the cut side of the lemon around the rim of the glass and dip in the sugar, making sure the edge is evenly coated. Set the glass aside to dry. Fill a cocktail shaker halfway full with ice. This drink is made with just 3 ingredients. Cognac, I like to use Hennessy, a little Cointreau, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Place them all in the cocktail shaker and shake well before straining into the prepared glass. This is one of my favorite cocktails, and I hope you will enjoy it too. Cheers!